Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by identifying exactly what kind of box you have: a text box, shape, border, or frame. Click the box edge to select it. Once selected, you see handles and a contextual format tab. If it won't select, open Home Select Selection pane to isolate the object. Make sure the document isn't protected and that the object isn't inside a header/footer. These contexts change how removal works. Once selected, you can move straight to formatting or deletion actions because selection reveals the correct controls. With the object selected, go to Format Shape to neutralize it. Set Shape Fill and Shape Outline to No Fill/No Outline so it becomes invisible yet still selectable. For boxes caused by paragraph borders, place the cursor in the paragraph and choose Home Borders No Border. This removes line borders without touching content. If the object is grouped or anchored, right-click and ungroup. Then use Layout options to change text wrapping to inline, with text to simplify deletion. These steps remove visual and structural box properties. Once the box is visibly neutralized or set inline, press Delete or Backspace to remove it permanently. Make sure to save after confirming page layout. Then run File Info Check for Issues Inspect document to find and remove hidden drawings, headers, footers, or content controls that could recreate a box. If the object still resists selection, unlock protection via Review Restrict Editing and use the selection pane to reveal and delete hidden objects. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't select an object, unprotect the document and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.